Alright, not a whole lot, but hey, it caught, and that's a start. So I'm going to do a tank tour. First tank. Caught a little rain. Tank up by the road. It's a bit on the muddy side, but looks like a bunch of water. Got a ways to go, but sure a lot more than there was. Dang, that is muddy. But that ought to settle out a little bit. Lovely and cool today for one day. Okay, this is Brett's raker. There it's where it hooks onto the Bobcat. If you notice on the side, he's printed the words Moss Boss. And it's a long thing. He made deals on the front that wasn't working well enough, so he put the welded wire on it. He said it worked great. Okay, I was a little nervous coming up here, hoping that it caught, but I'm thinking that it did. Looks like it caught pretty good. Let me get closer. Well, I believe it caught water only because I spent $230-something to buy that water tank. I believe we have enough water to last all winter long. Now, isn't this a pretty sight? Wish I had my camera on. A great blue just took off. It's not full, but got a whole lot more than it did. Well, you wouldn't think these critters were on pasture. They look pretty darn good. Let's see if we can get a look at Buzzy here. He's on the other side. Ricky, my colt, coming to see me. Well, my little Buzz has gotten big. Quit. They're all trying to eat the camera. Come here, little Buzz. Hey, Buzzy. Hey, Buzzy. Here you can get a good look at him. He's in love with Vera. And now here I am at the back gate. Well, not the back gate, but the gate into Aunt Ruth's. I want to show you a little goat hole he made. Over here on the side, so the goaties can come and go. And he's got a little gate to put over it. And we don't want them in and out, so they don't have to mess with the gate anymore. Pretty clever. Well, everybody's enjoying the little break in the weather. And over here, there's George. George, I think, took a mud bath. Hi, Georgie. He's a good dog. I think some of it can be salvaged. Puppies are in the way.